Ben. Ben. Why don't you want to come up the stairs? Why aren't you moving today?
Well, let's get the back end up. Come on, get the back end up.
Come on.
That's it.
Time to move.
Come on, get the back end up.
Move your butt.
Come on. Come on.
Gotta come in the house.
What is wrong with the back end? Did someone hurt you?
Ben, what did you do tonight? What did you do? Why are you not moving in the front yard?
I'm sorry, but I'm not going to have a dog with one of those wheelbarrow contraptions. He can't move his back legs.
All right.
Sayonara. So you're late for work.
Ben's gotta go up these steps, okay? Time to come in the house.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Is he carrying any weight? He is. Good boy.
All right.
Good boy. He walks.
He's alive. Okay. You can lay down now. You're in the house.
You do have 5 more steps.
He can lay in the front yard.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to be jumping. Do you? Any more fences in the next?
I don't see that happening.
Here, wait. Wait. That's it. One blanket.
What a big boy standing up.
Put water. Where did I put the water?
He looks a little sore.
The back legs aren't moving too good.
Not moving too
But
good.
they're definitely moving.
He needs to rest for a long time. He is completely worn out.
I'll go